मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी।
मेरे दिल में भी आए, समझ में भी आए, रिब्स ब्रेकिंग के बाद शूटिंग पे भी आए।
पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया, वो नो वन लास्ट शॉट सर, वन थ्री नॉट सर, लेफ्ट सर। 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? पिक्चर अच्छी हो बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
सलमान खान सर को रश्मिका के साथ काम करने के बाद किसकी याद आई?
All of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us. After she breaking her leg, she still shot with us. Didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
सिकंदर मूवी के एक्टर सत्यराज एज नोन एज कटप्पा, उन्होंने कहा कि वो सलमान खान से भी ज्यादा इनके बड़े फैन हैं। सत्यराज सर ने कहा वो कौन सा रोल करना चाहेंगे सिकंदर फिल्म में।
The happiest thing today happened for me. That is, I met Salim ji, and Saab introduced me. Papa, Katappa. I am very happy because though when I was studying in college and school days, Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my, and I started my career as a very sarcastic villain. After that, by opportunity, I became a hero. I did nearly 100 films. Hukumat Dharmendra ji's. I did Dharmendra ji's character. And in Agnipath in Tamil, I did Amitabh ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanerani Sa's character, I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character.
रश्मिका मंदाना ने बताया कि उनके फिल्म के बॉक्स ऑफिस का कलेक्शन और सक्सेस का क्रेडिट वो किसे देना चाहेंगी।
That is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them, because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass.
शर्मन जोशी ने सलमान खान सर को थैंक्स क्यों कहा?
I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean now just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You know, you look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadas sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, like, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one. But I experienced it for the first time. And I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
सिकंदर मूवी के प्रमोशन के दौरान सलमान खान ने उनके और रश्मिका के एज गैप पर उठने वाले सवालों का ट्रोलर्स को दिया ऐसा जवाब।
कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ, बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?